We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before.
Hey guys, we're Selimiye and Amrit. I'm elder, she's younger. We've been frequently traveling for over 2 years now, but finally, thanks to the pandemic, we're able to share all our travel videos from the last few years. Come enjoy these beautiful destinations. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We promise you will be glad that you did. We post every Sunday. Hey guys, what's up? We're here in Turkey at Selimiye. It's a small city town and it's so beautiful, more like a village. Yeah, we're chilling. We've been chilling here for the last 2-3 hours on this nice deck. Reggie, say hello.
Hi guys.
Guys, it's so beautiful. So yesterday we left from Sesame in the morning. We went to Ephesus. Ephesus has one of the ancient 7 wonders of the world. And then we went to Pamukkale. It has the white hills. And then we drove to Marmaris. This place is like 45 minutes from Marmaris. We were researching today in the morning and we found this beautiful place. So we decided to come here. It's so beautiful. Just look at that, guys. We're sitting here, chilling by the deck. It's amazing. Just look how clear the water is. Rajat is gonna fly the drone now. Are you excited?
Talking to me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you excited to fly the drone?
Yeah. It's such a beautiful place.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some beautiful footage.
Yeah.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Hey guys. It's our last day in Marmaris. We're just going to visit the castle. And then we're going to drive to Fethiye. Look at that. see? It's quite pretty, but not as pretty as Selimiye. And there's paragliding. Guys, this is also a national park, apparently. So beautiful. Reggie, say hi. Guys, it's 8 a.m. We're the first ones to come. Hey guys, good morning. I'm finally up now because the sun is out. Earlier I was kind of grumpy. It's about 8:30. We're here chilling at the Blue Lagoon. So beautiful. This is Ölüdeniz. So we drove from Marmaris yesterday to Fethiye, and this is about 4-5 kilometers from our hotel. So yeah, we're just chilling here. Rajat is flying the drone as usual. But yeah, it's early morning, so no one is here. I forgot to get my selfie stick, so I can't give you a big view. But yeah, look at that.